saying breaking news, stay with me. Breaking news, much more breaking news because the Congress party is breaking apart and we're getting news from inside. Nalini sent us some more details. Inside scoop on the Congress party's war within. Top sources saying that inside the Congress party have told Nalini, picking up details, 23 MLAs, leaders, the letter that was written was a brainchild of 2 Congress leaders who are not signatories to this letter. The 2 Congress leaders who are facilitating the dissenting letter have distanced themselves from either camp for now. One of the 2 leaders is not even present in Delhi. Brains behind the letter pretending to be neutral. Fight between the 2 camps expected to escalate. Meanwhile, Rahul Gandhi's former aide, Divya Spandana, who's made a comeback in public life politically, has just tweeted saying, I think Rahul ji made a mistake. He should have said colluding with the BJP and the media. Wow. She's making it worse. So this is Rahul's team escalating the attack, Nalini. Rahul's team escalating the attack, saying Rahul ji made a mistake. In fact, they're defending it. What is Surjewala trying to defend then? What is he trying to clarify? This has become worse because Rahul's mouthpiece has just said, because she speaks on behalf of Rahul, that it's not just the BJP. She's saying they're not just colluding with the BJP, but even the media. Massive fight. It's escalating. Nalini, take us through the leaders, the mystery leaders you're talking about, and then I'll go across to Piyush on this latest offensive by Team Rahul.
Well, Niranjan, it's extremely interesting what we are given to understand right now, because there are sources who were present inside the CWC meeting who are telling us that there are 2 brainchilds who are actually behind this entire letter, and those 2 leaders of the Congress party who are very highly placed have not signed the letter themselves. They have in fact asked these 23 leaders to sign the letter, and these 2 leaders have stayed away from the letter. And from
who's the mystery leader, Nalini? Who are these 2 people? No, who are these 2 people? Give us a hint. Which state, what position, if not the names?
So, Niranjan, what we're given to understand from our sources is there are 2 leaders that are present who are the brainchilds behind this. One of the leaders is present in Delhi. He was very much part of the CWC meeting, but he did not get a chance to speak during the meeting. Okay. There was another leader who is currently not in Delhi, who is primarily usually in Delhi, but is currently not in Delhi, who was also part of the CWC meeting, who was also not given a chance to speak. But the idea behind both of these leaders being the masterminds behind this dissenting letter that has been written by these 23 MLAs is the fact that they will pretend to be neutral during this time when this fight is breaking out between the 2 camps, the Gandhi camps as well as the non-Gandhi camps. And once this fight escalates, which is what it is expected to do now, then they will step in trying to soothe the waters and then deciding exactly what the future process is going to be. So whether or not there is any
seems very off there, Nalini. That seems really off. I mean, shooting off the shoulders of the other 23 people who have been signatories to this letter, and then being a part of this entire war game, and then coming out to soothe the situation to do a damage control. This seems certainly off.
Yeah, we'll have to take a short break. Amita, sorry to interrupt you there. I have to take a very short break at this point. We'll take a short break. Stay with me, Nalini and Piyush.
Sure.
We'll take a short break and we'll come back. Live coverage. The story is getting bigger every minute because both sides, they're split now.